this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, y'all, as y'all see, I got all three, 1, 2, 3 of my girls. Yay! They're all three on the video. But I'm gonna start like a little, what I'm gonna call it is crafting with my girls. That's what I'm gonna call it, crafting with my girls, because they will be on some videos that I'm going to be doing. So it's going to be called Crafting with My Girls. So when you see Crafting with My Girls, then you know that my kids are here with me. But let me introduce y'all. All right, so who want to go first?
Kira.
All right, so this is my oldest. So when y'all buy the graduation templates, this is the face on the templates right here. All right, you want to say something? You don't want to say nothing. All right, now I have my oldest twin. Say hey.
Hi.
Anything you want to say?
Hello, other people out there in the world.
All right, and here's my baby twin. She was on my last video. Anything you want to say?
Hi, people.
Hi. All right, y'all. So what we're going to do today, we are going to be making my husband a t-shirt for Father's Day. So that's why I got them all in here so we can make something special for him. Now, this template that I have right here is over on my website. Remember, I told you templates never get old. You can use templates over and over and over and over again, but it is a dad template, so I'm going to show you what I have. I created it over in Canva, so we're going to go to Canva and I'm going to show you what I have, and then we're going to be pressing it on this gray shirt right here. This is a gray jerseys shirt. Now, I absolutely love jerseys. You know, I'm a jerseys and a gilding girl, but this is 100% polyester. You know, when you do sublimation, you must use at least 65. No, well, you can do 50-50, but the higher the polyester count, the more vibrant the colors will be. So we're going to use 100% polyester. I'm going to go ahead and go into Canva and show you what I'm going to be doing. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you what they're supposed to do?
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Okay, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, I'm going to leave, of course, my website is www.aishadesignedit.com. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, everyone, so here is the dad template that I'm going to be using. Now, I've already went ahead and added my pictures and everything. As you see, I have the background picture here, which is of my husband and my girls. And I just made sure that you can see their faces right here. You can see my oldest daughter eye. You can see my husband's face. Now, I also have my oldest daughter and my twins right here in the DAD, and I just added the man who we always look up to, because my kids look up to my husband, their dad, and I put the heart here and put their name. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET8550. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, so that I can show you how to drag and drop once you purchase the templates. Alright, y'all, so now I am printing the dad template that I showed you here on my Epson ET8550. And what I do, I always put the paper in the rear. And when I am printing, I just select the rear feed so that it'll come out from the back part. You can also select the main tray, and the main tray is right underneath here. So I have this listed in the description box. It's absolutely amazing printer. I love it. I'm using the Hippo ink. I absolutely love the Hippo ink. That's also listed in the description box below. The paper that I use is listed there also, so make sure you go and check it out. The template is listed in the description box below over on my website at aishadesignedit.com. And I know a lot of you have shopped with me on Etsy. I am moving a lot of my designs that I have on Etsy over into my to my website, and eventually I'm going to close down my Etsy shop. But I just wanted to let you know before I close it down that all of my SVGs, PNGs, and templates will be over on my website. So as you see, it's printed out. Now this, make sure you flip your design when you're using this template so that it will come out correctly on your shirt, bag, whatever it is that you're using to print the design on. Alright everyone, so as you see, my oldest daughter is going to be pre-pressing the shirt. I have my heat press set at 400 for 60 seconds. It's still at 399 look like. So as you see, I have already put down the butcher paper. I always put a butcher paper at the bottom. That's just to protect the bottom plate of my heat press. So she's going to go ahead, you can go ahead and put it. So what you always do is just remember to pre-press your shirt. This is just to get any moisture or anything off out of your shirts. Pull it up just a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. So you don't have to push it all the way down. Just, yeah, for a couple of seconds. And when you're pre-pressing, you don't have to pre-press it for long. Probably about maybe 3 seconds. Okay, that's good. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have one of my other twins to put the design on and use my use the sublimation tape. And the other twin is going to press it. Alright, so now we're going to press this design here on the t-shirt. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, we're going to come down about 4 fingers. We're going to come back right here. But we're going to put our design, I say about right here. So just take the design, place it right up under my finger. Yeah, about right here. Okay. Alright, so now what we're going to do, make sure it's centered as best as possible. So now what she's going to do is she's going to take heat tape, and just let me show you right quick, okay? So what you do is just take the heat tape and just place it on the side, okay? So I'm going to give it to you. So I'm handing her the heat tape while she's just putting it around the design. Put one here and put one at the top. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is put some in the corners also. Just put one there. That's just to keep it down. Yeah, I use a lot of heat tape sometimes. Some people may use a lot, some people may not. So now what I'm going to do, I have this other piece of butcher paper. And I'm just going to take it and place it over the design. Now, one thing about this gray shirt, I'm believing that the picture is going to show through. But if you have a white shirt, I know that whatever this design, this template will look really great on a white shirt. But we're going to try this gray shirt, okay? So go ahead and put it over it. Alright, so now what she's going to do now is go ahead and pull the top down. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. My other twin is going to heat press it. So go ahead and pull it down. Take this by the handle. Okay. Now what you're going to do is take it and pull it all the way down. Okay. I think it's a little too tight, y'all, but we're going to hold it. Okay, but you got to put your weight on it. Okay, she put no weight on it because it was too tight. I should have loosened this up. So make sure everything is loosened up. Put it all the way down because it's got to be. Alright, y'all. So it's done. She's going to lift it up. Now, one thing about this, I forgot to adjust here. So she just had to use it with her weight. You know, place her weight on it. So one thing that I always tell everyone is here when you're dealing with sublimation, you really know if your design has went through on the shirt, because do you see right here? You see how the design or the picture is coming through the paper. So what we're going to do, we're going to let it cool off, and we're going to take it off and see how it looks. And I'm going to call my husband in here, okay? All right, y'all. So what I decided to do, my oldest daughter gave me an idea. We're going to let my husband come in here. We're going to let him reveal it. Okay, so this is a family thing. It's a family thing. So we're going to wait till he gets in here, and he's going to take the paper off, and I'm going to record him doing it and see what he think, okay? All right, y'all. So here's my husband. I want to be okay.
Bless you.
Sorry, she sneezed. You gonna go ahead and take it off?
Oh, you want me to take it off?
Yes. All right, y'all. So we're gonna see how it look over on the gray shirt. Oh, it came out pretty cute, y'all, for this to be on this darker gray shirt. But like I told you, it will look better on a white one to me. The everything will be more vibrant, but it looks good on this gray. Do you like it?
You talking to me? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so my husband said he likes it. All right, y'all. Super cute. Like I said, this will be over on my website at www.aishadesignit.com, as well as the granddad template. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I am going to go over there and be putting some other stuff on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, so you all have an amazing night, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. You want to say something?
No.
Come on. Wait, my twins want to say something. Come on. What you want to say?
Hi.
Bye. All right. Peace out, y'all. Have a great night. Peace.